Alright, so we're going to do a warm start on my 2020 Street Glide with a 107. This has the Screamin Eagle horsepower cam, which is pretty much their largest cam from Screamin Eagle. It's their whole kit, installed by me. This is the same exhaust system, same intake, same everything. Only difference now is the cam, which made a massive difference in the sound. It finally has that chop that I want, and very budget friendly. So here we go. Let's start this thing up.